Alright, YouTube, it's your boy Kerry, and we are back again with another video. So, I'll be straightforward with you guys, right? I made a video yesterday about the funded account I had, with the trades taken to pass the account, and took price action lately has been like whack. You feel me? Price action has been like whack lately. I took about two trades on the account, which resulted in a 1% loss and about a 0.4% loss. It then took another trade during Asian session on Thursday, and I banged the 1:5, right? Bringing me up to about 3.5%, which I was down almost 2% on the account. So it brought me up about 3.5% up on the account, the live funded account, and I'm up about, I think, almost 6% on the phase two. Some of my accounts are where I'm up about 7%. It's pretty much good regarding the results. So without taking much of your time, let's get right into the breakdown of the trade that brought me up this far. Okay boys, so if you come over here, you can see gold has been like really rallying to the upside, right? Following the announcement Trump gave about the project, I think what Thompson project something, right? So was expecting like maybe a pullback to the 50% range before the continuation up here, but seems like that wasn't the case with gold, because if we replay price, right, if we replay price to this date, coming here with this displacement down, I would have normally expected to like maybe take a trade right here, but I wasn't home. Maybe I would have fixed a little bit right here, but which would have still resulted in hitting my break even, because right here. But still, I'm just glad I didn't even take it, because it never really met some of the confluences I needed. Taking it off the 50% stops somewhere around here, and you can see break even. The thing will just like come back, hit me at break even, right? But I could just say I was trying to just force the setup yesterday, because I was trying to take a sell off this area right here, off the 30-minute, even though I don't usually normally trade off the 30-minute. I trade mainly off the 15-minute inefficiency. Alright, I just use the 30-minute to confirm. I like when my inefficiency on the 15-minute also has a 30-minute inefficiency, right? So coming over to this point here, you can see I took the setup. The price kept consolidating for almost 5 hours. Price kept consolidating. So the only thing I was expecting was a 2 a.m. London time, right? I know there's always a push. It's like the 9:30 New York Stock Exchange open. You can see there's always like high volatility in the market. Same thing with the 2 a.m. New York and London time, my bad. So with this trade right here, with stops at this high, I trailed my stop somewhere around here, which ended up hitting me about 0.4% loss. But as soon as I saw this displacement to the upside, right, I also seen CVD reacting with a huge volume, and coming to look, you can see we had this inefficiency where price kept tapping. With this inefficiency, we are rejecting off of it. Yeah. You can also see price hitting this our area of demand. You can see this our area of demand. You can see taking out these lows right here. So I already knew that price won't always like come back to the 50% range, or before it's going with its true move when there's too much big players in the market. I don't think that's going to be the case, not always with that scenario, but yeah, let's just clear this off, and you can see price came here, broke out this internal highs, right? So I immediately knew this was a good setup to buy. but then I waited. I saw price taking out these highs, and then there's still going to be a move up. Then if we take out our GAN box, we can see we took it 50% right here. 50% will go to the 5 minutes. The last candle closure either open or close the body. So that is where our stop loss will be. So but I took my entry around here. You know, this is CME data for feed data for gold. That's why you can see this GC, not XAU USD. But for XAU USD, I was targeting about I think that was 4,750 ounce on gold. That was my target, which was about almost 5 hours, if I'm correct. Almost 5 hours, because you can see price came first. This rejection right here, right, was also another major confirmation for me. The thing is, since I was feeling like in the drawdown, I never wanted to risk more, right? Then as I saw this rejection, I knew that this place would most likely hold, which price will come here to take out this early buyers right here. Then you can see price came in, tapped into our box area, so you can see right there, right? There's my TPOs around here. Some accounts closed somewhere around here. You can see this was the trade setup. Beautiful 1:5, taking us from a drawdown straight to profit. So potential payout has been secured on the account with this beautiful setup right here on gold. You can see, because even checking at the CVD, you can see the market volume that kicked in, confirming the trend is still bullish. And that's pretty much it for this setup. So let me take you guys over to my dashboard. Coming over to my dashboard right here, you can see this is an account I purchased yesterday. I purchased this account yesterday when I got my funded account details, right? Then I went ahead and purchased this because I never had any other account that will be trading gold. So in case I make profit, I will still want another account whereby I'll be trying to like pass or something. So I purchased another account with their discount code, so I got 2, right? I got 2. You can see I never traded this one. I never traded this other account. If you check right here, you can see this other account is up 5.71%. You can see the trades I was talking about. I don't know why this dashboard, they have something wrong with the dashboard, if I'm correct. Actually took 3 trades, not 2. I don't know why it isn't displaying. Maybe it's another account, but you can see this is it right here. So I just need about almost 2.2% or 2.3% to pass this account, the first phase of this. And you can see this is it, payout then countdown in 12 days, right? Up 3.5%. But they say I need to make at least 0.5% profit to be eligible for withdrawal. So just got to make about $125. Then I'll just let the account be. With this. And 12 days I request my payout. As you can see right here, also had like a 2K payout requested. You can see right here, rejected. So yeah boys, that's pretty much it for this video. Like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.